Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to see a new story that is very interesting and very useful. Why I'm saying very useful? Because we know how the output will be, but we actually don't know what is the process happened behind it. So here I am to say the life cycle of butterfly, a small caterpillar stage to how it turned into the butterfly. Okay, come on, let's dive into our video to see the process. One day, a fine sunny morning, a closed forest. In that forest, we'll see many birds, animals, snakes, everything. From among them, we are taking a small part that is caterpillar, converting into butterfly. Hello there, forest friends. I am the very hungry caterpillar, and today I will tell you the story of how I went from a tiny egg to something amazing. On Sunday morning, in the heart of the forest, I hatched from a tiny white egg resting on a leaf. I saw it so small and so hungry. I searched for food here and there. At last, I finally found apple and nibbled through one red apple. A charmed to two juicy pears. I gobbled up four strawberries. I munched through oranges. The forest enchanted with munching and creeping sounds. On one day, I got a little carried away. I ate through and I ate a piece of chocolate cake, an ice cream cone, and a lollipop, a pizza, burger, and etc. Oh, that last night my tummy got had, and at last I received a healthy change. Have to be done. The next day was a Sunday. I nibbled through one piece of green leaf and I felt much better than last night. And the big changes that had happened in my life, that is, I wasn't a tiny caterpillar anymore. I was a big, chubby caterpillar. So I built myself a cozy cocoon right on the forest branch. I stayed inside for the 2 weeks, and at last, what happened? You only come to know the transformation, the final transformation of an caterpillar into butterfly has happened, and that and then I pushed my way out and I became a beautiful butterfly. Caterpillar flaps newly grown to wings, now as a butterfly. And that is the story of how I changed right here in the forest. Thank you for joining me in my delicious and beautiful journey. Thank you so much. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for much more interesting videos. Thank you.